Okay, and this is the air fryer. It has 2 racks that it fits comfortably, and actually the racks, my racks, don't fit that well. It has a pull-out fruit tray. The door does come off for cleaning. When you shut it, you have a power button, turn it on, and it has auto sets. You can do your time here up and down, your temp here up and down. Then we have steak and shrimp, french fries, fish, your dehydrator, cake, frozen pizza. You can also, for the light inside, which this I did like, lights up really well. Now it comes with the tumbler. I wanted to show, this is the rack. They're approximately 10 inches by 9. Your wheels. Here's your cage. It has, it's hard to see, let's do it on the white, I think it would be better. And it just has little loops that come out. Just pull it out. It opens. You can put your shish kebabs, etc. in there. And then it just loops underneath and seals underneath. It's kind of very simple. Obviously, it'd be easy to take apart and put in the dishwasher. And then it also comes with the handle to remove, as well as these spikes.